Hi, Tatiana is here again, the realtor here in Miami with iPlus Group and eXp Realty. In the previous videos, we went over step number 1 and 2 in the home buying process, and in this one, we'll talk about step number 3, which is save for the down payment and closing costs. If saving money to pay cash for the total price of the house is not reasonable for your family's time budget, at least save 3.5% or more. Many people delay the home buying event because they have this misperception that they need to put at least 20% for down payment, which is not exactly true. The main reason why you often hear that you need 20% for down payment is because if you do put 20% down, you don't have to pay PMI, which is private mortgage insurance, and you will save hundreds of dollars on your monthly payment. Since we are here to make your home buying process as affordable as possible, we can advise you and connect you with the right lenders who can help you to avoid paying PMI, and you don't even have to put 20% of down payment. On the other hand, if you finance with a conventional loan, you will have to put at least 5% of down payment. Along with your down payment, you will also need to pay for the closing costs. And if you're buying the house for the first time, you might be wondering how much it costs to close on a house. On average, the closing costs are about 3 to 4% of the purchase price of your home. And your lender will give you a specific number so you know exactly how much you will have to bring to the closing table. These fees pay for the important steps in the home buying process, including appraisal, home inspection, credit report, attorney, and homeowner's insurance. Let's see how it plays out with our example of a $300,000 home. If you multiply the higher of 4% closing cost average, you'll find that you'll need around $12,000 for the closing cost. Now let's add that to your 5% of down payment of $15,000, and together it equals $27,000, which is about what you'll need to save to pay for the down payment and the closing cost on your first house. To work with the right agent, she or he can also advise you how to save around 3% on your closing cost. So if you want to know how, call me, text me, or email me. Thank you for staying with me, and I'll see you in the next video.